Already? Whoa. 진짜 맛있어.
Wow, look at this. Oh man, it's the muscle. Look how big that is. Look at that. The shrimp, the onions.
All fresh.
I can never get used to this. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, that makes sense. So, chef, welcome to Ul릉도.
Oh, Ul릉도 is beautiful.
How do you like Ul릉도 here?
I love it here.
So, we're gonna eat everything in Ul릉도.
Everything.
Are you gonna eat everything in Ul릉도?
What's the first thing we eating?
So, let's go out and eat.
Okay.
Let's go.
What we having?
Jjampong.
What?
Jjampong.
Jjampong.
Yeah, Jjampong.
My Jjampong?
Your Jjampong.
Let's jump off.
Let's jump on! So, chef, this is our lunch time today.
Lunchtime.
Lunch place. So this is the Jjampong, which is the second biggest port in Ul릉 Island. And as you can see, there's a lot of Korean Chinese restaurants. This place is famous for the Korean Chinese restaurant.
Okay.
So, and also, today we're gonna have one of your most favorite dish, which is Jjampong.
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 Are you serious?
Yes, but it's different. It's Ulungized. So this place has been like 40 years, and also it has its own special Jjampong, which is the muscle, not muscle, the muscle, natural.
The muscle.
Yeah, the natural muscle Jjampong.
Muscle Jjampong.
Yeah, muscle Jjampong.
I never had that before.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Okay, here he comes, chef.
Oh, Jjampong.
Oh.
와, 감사합니다. 이게 셰프님 먹어야 돼, 딱 예쁘게. 와우, 우와.
Smell that. Jeez.
죽인다, 역시.
Wow.
Brings back my memories.
I know, right?
Bring back my memories, okay?
Muscle memory.
Muscle memory.
Muscle memory.
Muscle memories.
Muscle memory.
Muscle memory, yes, okay. 저기 저 공군부대 나왔어요, 저 옛날에. 군복무 여기서 했어요, 울릉도에서. So chef, as I told you, this is a natural muscle Jjampong. And mostly, the 99% of the Korean mussels are foreign, but here, it's very famous for the natural mussel. So shall we try some natural mussel Jjampong?
Let's try it. Ooh, wow. What the hell?
Told you, chef. Very thick.
That is so differently.
Yeah. Ooh. It's different Jjampong. It's a natural mussel Jjampong.
Wow.
I'm very confident about this Jjampong, really.
Is it that different?
It's different.
Yeah?
And you know I love Jjampong.
Yeah, you're a Jjampong guy, I know.
벌써? Already?
Whoa. That's some good stuff right there. I ain't gonna play with you, man. That's it.
Natural muscle Jjampong.
That's so good. That's good.
Okay.
Now let's start reflection.
아, 이거 진짜 맛있어.
Wow, look at this. Oh, man.
오맨 나왔어요. 여기가 짬뽕 유명하긴 해, 진짜. 울릉도가.
Oh, it's the muscle. Oh, look how big that is.
Natural muscle.
That's huge.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
what
you.
she said. Oh, my God.
The good thing about this muscle is it's peeled.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, it's peeled.
Oh, let me get that thing.
It's natural, natural.
Wow. That's a good muscle. That's a natural flavor. Even the chew is different.
Yeah, that's right.
Chewy, chewy, chewy tough.
Yeah.
It's right here. My teeth is going through it. As briny, as aggressive as in the States. It's very, for a big muscle.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at these noodles.
Yeah. Look at that thickness.
Those noodles soaked in all that liquid, that juice, that flavor. It's like a noodle soup.
Yeah.
Noodle soup.
Noodle soup. Ah.
Jeez.
Yeah. Muscle memory. 진짜.
That's good. Wow, that's good. I'm not gonna lie, that's good. That's really good.
So how is it different with the normal jjampong, chef?
What normal jumper? This is the only one I know now.
Oh, okay.
I can't come back here.
Yeah, that's right there.
Hold on, I won't get it. You guys won't experience it.
Can go back.
You won't experience this right here.
Yeah.
Because you can only do it in Uno.
Yeah. Ulungdo, yeah.
You can only do it here, unfortunately. If you see it, the color, everything with it.
I can tell it's more thicker and more like orange.
Yeah, the orange, that color profile
Not
is
like red.
crazy. Yeah. The other ones, that red, this is that orange, vibrant color. You look right away. Wow.
저는 근데 개인적으로 이런 게 있어요. 울릉도에서 짬뽕 먹고 육지 나가면은 조금 약간 약간 이게 진함이 달라. 울릉도께 더 진해요. 그래서 약간 물 탔나 싶을 정도로 그런 생각이 들었어요. 여기가 더 진해요, 진짜. 왜냐면 제가 봤을 때 해산물이 정말 많이 들어가거든요. 그래서 제가 봤을 때는 이 레이어가 좀 다른 것 같습니다. 이렇게 셰프? Are you featuring? 약간 이게 진함이 달라. 울릉도께 더 진해요. 그래서 울릉도만의 스타일이 있어, 짬뽕이. 사람들은 인정 안 하시겠지만.
This is comforting, this is delicious, this is different, this is amazing, this is, wow. Jump on.
짬뽕. 짬뽕, jump on.
Jump on it, jump on.
Oh!
Jump on it.
Okay.
Jump on it. Jump on. Jump on it.
Jump on.
Okay.
That noodle hit me in my eye. That was perfect too hard. Woo! That's good. Still a little nice, not spice tone, but enough to make my nose run a little bit.
It's not too spicy.
No, it's really
Very-
good. No. It's more spicy when you do it like this, when you sip it up.
Right?
I get my eyes closed that time. Still got in there.
솔직히 울릉도는 제가 울뽕이 게 아니라 진짜 울릉도 짬뽕은 좀 레벨이 다릅니다. 진짜로.
와봐서 먹어봐야 되는 거 이거는.
드셔서 여기 오셔서 먹어보셔야 돼요, 진짜.
Wow.
What's in there, chef? Oh, okay. Oh, squid.
It was squid. The vegetables, wow, it's so perfectly balanced. It's ridiculous how balanced it is.
I think like they purposely cut them in a similar size.
Yeah.
Everything's the same size.
Yeah.
Ulung Island is very famous for the squid as well.
That's some good squid. But that shrimp,
How was the shrimp? You had the shrimp in the morning, right?
I had it raw. Alive. They cut it, ate it. I had first no sauce, then I had some wasabi, a little bit of soy sauce. Delicious.
Oh, you like that? Oh. I think you should open one restaurant in Ulungdo, Dokdo Shrimp Jjampong Restaurant. You should open that.
We're looking for the vessels right now. Wow. You know, before we got here, I was like, oh, we're gonna eat some food.
Yeah.
We're like, okay. And then it gets here. I want to stop eating now. So this place has been here for 40 years, you say?
Yeah, 40 years.
Wow.
40 years with the layers.
Remind me next time we do this, with some goggles. That's delicious. Look at that.
Vibrant.
Now look at, I mean, how many bites inside of here? With the noodles, the shrimp, the onions, the greens, the mussels, cabbage, everything just keeps going. Just because it was in front of me.
Oh.
So, Americans in the US, they don't just eat a raw onion. Even if you have this in front of them, they won't eat it.
It's fresh.
Wow, so much, so good.
울릉도 짬뽕은 국물이 달라. 진짜.
So much also.
So much, yeah.
Is this a small or medium?
Normal.
Just normal.
Normal?
Yeah.
What's normal? What's normal? Is this anything over this?
Yeah, there's like extra large. Yeah. There's normal size and large size. Yeah.
Wow. I can never get used to this. You know, the crazy thing about this is you have everything you need in here. You have your vegetables, clean protein, the noodles in it, the carbohydrates. You get this liquid which is very soothing. It's just packed with nutrients from everything else. It's so good. When you get close to the bottom, that spice intensifies. So when you're slurping it, you gotta let it roll down your throat. And now they just hit the back of your throat.
Yeah.
I love to see you come in, but I hate to see you go. Wow.
끝장내버리셨네.
Wow.
You did try the quite many times.
Yeah.
So could you rank the place of the Jjampong?
This one, Jjampong, my top two.
Top 2.
Oh. What's the other? Okay.
Oh.
You gotta stick for the next episode to find out.
Okay.
네, 오랜만에 울릉도에서
네.
짬뽕 먹으니까 어땠어요, 형님?
일단 my muscle memory. 홍합의 기억이 살아났어요. 그리고 군생할 때 먹었던 거기 때문에 추억 보정이 됐을 수도 있는데 아니에요. 추억 보정이 아니라 그냥 짬뽕이 맛있었던 거예요. 너무 맛있게 먹었습니다. 네, 진짜 맛있어요.
3, 2.
오늘도
잘 먹었습니다. This is shrimp.
Shrimp too.
Yeah.
Yeah. 그래서 형님 먹으면 이렇게.
Ooh.